Add it to my collection. Oh no! Is this real life? Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep. Today I've got a very belated, late to the party, Map of the Soul one concert merch haul. I didn't order any merch when they were released originally in Korea, and then after everything sold out, I started watching unboxing videos and I suddenly wanted to have my own experience of opening photo cards and lucky draws. So I ordered some things from the US shop and had it sent to a US address and then forwarded to me. So I'll just show you what I got. First, the premium photos. Whoa. Since this is a fairly belated haul, I won't go into too much detail about this, but it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous in real life. And oh my goodness, I was really worried about it coming over international mail, but it has arrived safe and sound, it appears. Wow, beautiful. Next, there's only a limit of 5 photo cards, so that's what I got, and a couple other things. 3 lucky draws, 5 mini photo cards, and 1 JK keyring. He's stuck up there, but there he is. I remember eyeing this when it was released in the global shop, but back then I wasn't interested in merch, so I didn't actually end up ordering it. But it is here with me now. Hi JK. I guess we'll get right into the most interesting bit, which is opening these. I've watched a couple unboxing videos and I know that there will probably be duplicates, and I'm in Zen mode now. I'm prepared to have all 3 of the same members and even all 5 of the same packs. I've like accepted it before I open these. Okay, let's get into it. I'll open all the photo cards first. You watch enough unboxing videos and you start to get worried about like damage and dents, so I don't want anything to damage these photo cards. Alright, here we go. First set. Oh, this is exciting! This is my first like random set unboxing opening thing. I know Namjoon will be in the front. Namjoon이 open sesame. Ooh. And since there's plenty of unboxings out there, I won't show the backs. It really is hard to read the back of the photo card. I'm gonna have to look at the templates. I literally can't tell what number that is. Do I need a flashlight? Anyway. 남준이, 석진이. Here's 석진이. These are so nice. Wow. Ooh. 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 Wow. Do they all fit? Okay. Zen mode. I'm prepared. I'm prepared to have a duplicate. I said I was prepared. I'm not, but I said I was prepared. It's okay. Oh, this is different. So I guess the whole set isn't a duplicate. I'll show these up close because I'll show you Jin up close too. Jin, I have no idea what numbers they are and I literally cannot read them. That is crazy difficult to read. Oh, so cute. Oh, Hobie. Yesterday was Hobie's birthday. Yay, at least I don't have 5 identical packs. Taeya's different too. JK is different too. Wow, this is so fun. Oh no, am I going to start collecting? And this unit card. Wow, okay. 2 down, 3 to go. Deep breaths, deep breaths. It's different. Namjoon's forehead is different. Oh, how cute. Literally cannot read this. You need like a UV light or something. That's crazy. Very cute. Jin is different too. Oh my goodness. These are really nice pictures too. My goodness. Oh, sugar. Sugar's... I can't tell. Oh, this one's a duplicate. That's okay. Yay, Jiminy is different. Oh no, these are so pretty. I said I wasn't gonna collect, but look, Tae's different too. Ah, look at Jungkook이. Different. Ooh, this unit is different too. Wow, yay. Good job. Mixer. Okay, we've got 2 more. And so far only 2 duplicates here. So this is already better than I was preparing for. I was prepared for the worst. Ta-da! This forehead looks different too. It's different! Chuni's different. Chuni with the heart. Yay! Wait, we've got... I feel like I had a different one with a heart too. Yep, we've got a sugar heart. Oh, is there a whole set, a line with hearts? I'll have to check the template. Chuni's different. Seokjin이 is different. Wow, these are so nice. One of the reasons I didn't order any merch when they were first dropped in the global shop was because I'm like, I don't really like the color red. Silly Slimmy. Look at Suga here. Yoongi's kind of like giving us sly vibes. Hobi is different too. Wow. Ooh, Jiminy. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. Taeyoung's heart. This one's different too. Wow. Jungkook이, this one's different too. This unit is different too. Wow. Wow. Wow, okay, and we've got this last set here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think this is different. Chuni's forehead looks big. Ooh. Namjoon, serious and devastating. Okay, Seokjin이 is a duplicate. Yoongi's different. Hobi! Hobi with the arms heart, yay. Jiminy's different. Oh man, these are nice. Tae. Wait. Tae is different. Wow, Jungkook이 is different too. And a different unit as well. Oh my goodness. I'm very, this is good but also bad because now I'm like, wow, I have pretty good luck with this draw. Only these 2 Namjoons were duplicates and this Seokjin이 and was that it? Yoongi's all different. Oh, Hobi, here. So these 2, 3. Jiminy's all different. Tae's all different and Jungkook's all different. Oh my goodness, this was really good luck for my first little haul, and also this is dangerous because now I want to collect photo cards more than ever. Anyway, let's get on to the lucky draw. So we've got 3 lucky draws. I've seen people open it like very neatly instead of tearing it, like they just slit the back. Let me try that. Okay, I just slit the backs off camera, and now I'm thinking maybe I should have slit this back instead of like sort of the cover. But anyway, here are the 3 lucky draws. And once again, Zen mode. I will be prepared for any duplicates. But here's the first one. Oh, I can't tell. No! Is it you? Is it really you? Is that you, Jungkook? Never. I've only pulled Jungkook once from all my albums, all my new albums, like over 20 albums. And now this is my second like Jungkook item from a random batch. We'll pull them out in a second. I kind of want to see what the others are. Who are you? Oh, okay, so the back is this way. Wow! I'm like a little nervous and starting to get superstitious that I've just used up all of my Jungkook pulling luck. Now, oh, this is the back, so let's look at the front. You're joking. Is this real life? Is this real life? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Like my hands are about to shake. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Right? I'm not mistaken. I haven't even looked. I'll open one now. Oh, there's maybe I need to put this together later because there's plastic on the cover, but there is Jungkook one. That's him, right? Let me check. My eyes might be deceiving me. 1, 2. Wow. Please let that not be all of my Jungkook pull luck in one go, but if it is, that's fine. That's cool too. Well, thank you for watching this very impromptu and belated Mott's one concert haul. Here is the keychain and the premium photo. Here's that beautiful man in large format and tiny format. This reminds me of the question, 5 baby Jungkooks or 1 grown-up Jungkook? Today I got 3 baby Jungkooks. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye!